lang po tayo sa place. And as you can see, time check, 3 o'clock na. Pasensya na kung hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Pero, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo. Ang ganda nito. Guys, ayan, pupunta na po kami.
Hey guys!
Ang weird talaga niya. Sana daw mapanood daw to ni Charot, joke lang. Villager.
Ay, sorry po. Nagwala po ako.
Manong Kalbo. Tingnan niyo, ang ganda ng hair ko. Parang,
Ito, may buhang.
wala na yung sunscreen. Ano nangyari sa babaeng to? Nilarabis na siya.
Salamat sa lahat. Salamat sa lahat.
Okay. So yan guys, look at that view. Sabi nila magpipicture pa daw mamayang sunset. Tututuhanin ko yun, be.
Babalik ko yung board, cheetah print.
Oo. The hotness. Init mo, boy. And guys, mag-swimming po tayo with our phone. With our phone on. Which is definitely risky, but yeah, we love the risk.
We love the risk, but you cannot take any risk.
Oh. Ha? Cringe niya, guys. Naghahanap pa rin siya ng seashells hanggang ngayon.
Hey, I found one. Can you see, guys? It's so maraming buhangin because it came from the sea.
Chill, girl. Look at those babes. May pinagdadaanan siya, guys. Kasi dito siya nagbumuni-muni. Sa Batangas pa talaga. Ito, drip namin, guys. Ano? Ocean girl.
It's called Connecting with Nature.
Nature spray. Ayan,
So,
guys.
to be serious,
Ay, Englishera, grabe.
we are having fun here at Nasugbu, Batangas.
Wow!
Everything from transportation to accommodation.
Transportation! Parang nasuka ka, be.
I'm so shocked. Oh my God.
Ay! Guys, wala na po yung mga kasama namin kasi nagbanlaw na sila.
Wala, mga ano yun.
Mga manginginom, charot joke lang. Gagawa po
Alam mo, I
tayo.
met those people na they go to other places to heal themselves. Because when you look at nature, it's like what I'm doing right now.
Parang wala tayong pera para mag-sightseeing with nature.
But it's free.
Yes, because
Our
our
people provided all.
the necessities.
We just,
We're just palamunin in this family. Yeah.
yes. As I reflect my 2024,
Wala ako si Boy Abunda.
all I can say that
Sex or chocolate?
chocolate, makula. Hindi ko yun. Kawanchi. I can say that this 2024 is such a roller coaster ride because in the first quarter of the year, we experienced so much
Hurt
challenges.
and
like-
obstacles.
but now look at us, we are enjoying ourselves here.
Charot, di ako ng flex pero,
It's kind of something that will happen once in a blue.
yeah, kasi parang yung, eto lang naman, share ko lang naman, yung buong December ko, ang fully pack niya, fully pack? Eh guys, di ko pala nakwento sa inyo, bakit hindi ko na-upload yung Tagaytay trip ko kasi nawalan ako ng phone noon. So ayun, nawala yung mga videos ko. Hindi ko alam kung makakapag-upload pa ako, pero December is a good month for me. December is a good month for you. Bro,
I don't know. I think it is a good one despite all of the challenges. Maybe
challenges.
maybe those tasks that I did this past few days. I think it is all worth it. Looking at the result of my hard work as well as other people's hard work.
Wow, napaka-inspiring po ng message niya. Wala na akong masabi.
So, if there's a message that I can say to you guys, it is, you know, enjoy your days. Like,
Parang mamamatay na sila! Pero actually guys,
whatever you do right in the moment or what are the things that you did way back in the past few weeks, just reflect it with a smile. As 2024 will end in a few days,
pinapawala na kita!
I want to say that
Bye-bye.
thank you 2024 for being good to us, and we hope that
Haba naman ang message niya.
2025
Ko na to.
2025 will be much more better than you are.
Yeah. Wala na ako nasabi. Kasi nabobother ako, may lumulutang na may sachet dito. Ah! Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo pero
Sige!
I'm gonna die, guys. Pero yun, guys, yun yung pwede kong outro. Thank you.
Totoo i-upload, man.
Oo.
Tulog sa sobrang.
Kakat ko yung mga kalokohan mo. Hi guys, nagsi-seashell hunt po kami dito with my, with my idol in Nida.
Nasubsob. hindi siya na, nasubsob.
Ay, gawa tayo ng nung letter habang nagbe-video. Lagay natin yung name ko. Ano na lang, initials ko na lang, girl. Sorry, medyo tanga magsulat. Bakit mga initials, guys? Okay, bye. Ay, drawing tayo. What the hell? Here, guys, take a look of this. I think, ito na yung time na may kita siya ng maganda. Dapat tayo start. What? Nawala. Look at that. That is not. That is not white swan. That is brown. Got no time to lose. Can't tomorrow. May pinagdadaanan siya, guys. Na 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 na. Kinakanta ko yung theme song ng Kimi ni Noah. Charot, joke lang. That is not my land. What? Wala namang makakarinig. Pati ako nag-hunting na rin. Binigyan niya ako. Good human being.